In this video, I'll show you how to create a gamified discount pop-up to boost Shopify sales in no time. So if you're looking for a fun and engaging way to increase your Shopify sales, let's begin. So go to popupsmart.com. After creating your account for free, click New Campaign. Let's name our campaign as Gamification, and then you should choose a domain and save it. On the playbook, you can see all pop-up templates that are ready to use. You can just choose one according to your need. On the left-hand panel, you can see the business goals filters. I'll just click Shopify to see my options, or I can see the Gamify option. Okay, let's see this one. I think I can work with it, so I will just select this pop-up. So as you can see, we have the gamification elements right here. I will click Game Settings. I can just change the text and I can change the discount code. I can just change the action from this panel. Let's continue with other elements. We have the text here. This is a Black Friday themed pop-up, but you can just change the theme according to your needs. Then we have the countdown timer right here. I don't want it to include days, so I will just make it 0. And then I have the form here. As you can see, I can just change its position as well. So once you're happy with customization step, let's continue with style. From the theme engine, you can just change the theme of your pop-up with a single click. Let's try some of them. Maybe this one looks good. So I will just click Apply Theme. So you can change the size of your pop-up. You can make small, medium, or large. From the body style, you can change the background settings, and then you can change the shape of your pop-up. You can also change the opening effects. We have text size and font. You can change everything from right here. So I'm happy with the look of my pop-up, so I will continue with segments. So on the segment section, we are actually setting up precise targeting options. I will click Change Segment to see all the predefined segments that I can use. I can just create one from scratch from the My Segment section as well. For this pop-up, I will continue with, let me see, Boost Sales. Yeah, I will click Select and Apply and Edit. So we have the audience targeting here, we have schedule time and date, we have traffic source, cookie targeting, or geolocation if you want to show your pop-up on a specific place only. Then we have the user behavior targeting, for example, after scrolling X%, let's say 10. So if a visitor scrolls 10% of the website, they will see my pop-up. We also have the inactivity mode. Let's say if someone is inactive on the website for 10 seconds, again, my pop-up campaign will be triggered. We have the exit intent as well. Let's set it the medium, so if someone tries to leave the website, they will see my pop-up again. We have the frequency settings as well. From display frequency, we can choose display on every page view or display once every, or we can just stop showing the pop-up when someone submits an email or clicks a button. So I'm happy with the segmentation as well, so let's save it and continue with Publish. So on the Publish step, you can see the targeting summary. You can set up autoresponder or self-email notification. You can integrate with popular platforms right here, or you can just integrate with Google Analytics. I will just publish my campaign and I will show you how it looks on the website. So this is how the pop-up looks on the website. Let's try it out. So that's it. Go to popupsmart.com to create a gamified pop-up for your Shopify store for free. Don't forget to like the video, and I will see you next time.